become successful at affiliate marketing by following this advice. When people turn to the internet to make some extra cash, they typically go for affiliate marketing. It is true that affiliate marketing can get you some extra money. However, many people give up because they did not know the correct techniques or they did not want to put in the work. If you fall in the latter group, then you need to give up affiliate marketing. However, if you fall in the former group, read these pieces of advice below. Use anticipation to build desire for your upcoming products. Preemptive marketing about the launch of a new product or service can build a need from a want. When used properly, this kind of marketing can drive massive amounts of traffic to your new product, which increases your sales positioning tremendously. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item and they're more likely to do it. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information, if not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. Therefore, affiliate marketing can be successful for you if you learn to apply these specific techniques and put in the work. If you don't want to put in the work, there are easier ways you can make money online. However, if you stick with affiliate marketing and work hard, this can be a very profitable choice for you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.